there are moments when the mind feels like a crowded room. Thoughts speaking over one another. Unfinished conversations. Things you should have done. Things you still need to do. The world moves quickly, and sometimes the mind keeps moving long after the day has ended. If you've been caught in that loop of overthinking, you are not alone. Today, we won't try to force the mind into silence. Instead, we will give it something gentle to follow: the breath. Find a comfortable position and allow your spine to be upright but relaxed. Let your shoulders soften and your hands rest easily. When you're ready, take a slow breath in through your nose. And gently let it go. The mind was never meant to be quiet all the time. Its job is to think and solve and remember. In today's world, it rarely gets a pause. So instead of trying to stop thoughts, we will simply shift our attention from thinking to feeling. Bring your awareness to your breathing. Notice the air entering your nose and leaving your body. You may feel a slight coolness as you inhale and a gentle warmth as you exhale. Let this small sensation become your anchor. Now deepen the breath slightly. Inhale through the nose and allow the belly to expand. Then exhale slowly and let the body soften. Again, breathe in and breathe out. This kind of breathing signals safety to the nervous system. Now, on your next exhale, let the breath leave through your mouth with a soft sigh. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Let that sigh release some of the pressure you may be holding. Imagine each exhale like a wave washing across the mind. thoughts may still appear. Plans, memories, worries. You don't need to push them away. Just allow the breath to move like a gentle tide. Slowly smoothing the surface of the mind. Now return to breathing softly through the nose. Inhale and exhale. Notice something subtle. Between the inhale and the exhale, there is a tiny pause. And between the exhale and the next inhale, another quiet moment, a natural space where nothing is happening. Simply notice it, breath coming in, breath leaving, and the quiet space in between. Gradually, the thoughts begin to feel more distant, like sounds fading into the background. Now expand your awareness beyond the breath. Feel the weight of your body where you are sitting. Notice your legs, your hands. Your shoulders relaxing while the mind moves quickly. The body knows how to be still. Let the breath flow naturally. Inhale, exhale, and feel a sense of heaviness and grounding in your limbs. For the next few moments, simply remain here, breathing, feeling, allowing. If a thought appears, let it pass like a cloud in the sky. Beneath everything, your breath continues, slow, steady, calm. Take a slightly deeper breath in and slowly exhale. Remember this feeling, even in the middle of a busy day. One slow breath, one quiet pause can bring you back. Calm is never far away. Take one final slow breath in and release it gently. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this quiet with you. Sometimes the mind does not need to be silenced. It only needs something peaceful to follow.